Welcome back to my channel Adventurers. Today, we are whisking ourselves away to the tropics, to a land often called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. This island nation is a feast for the senses. Imagine lush landscapes, ancient ruins whispering stories of empires past, and vibrant culture bursting forth in music, dance, and delicious food. Get ready for a whirlwind adventure as we discover the magic of Sri Lanka together. Sri Lanka's history stretches back millennia, with evidence of human settlements dating back to prehistoric times. Ancient kingdoms left behind incredible architectural marvels and intricately carved temples. One such marvel is Sigiriya, also known as Lion Rock. As you climb the steep steps, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of the surrounding jungle. Sri Lanka's story is woven into vibrant festivals, intricate handicrafts, and warm hospitality. You'll feel it in the rhythmic beat of traditional drums, the colorful costumes of dancers, and the delicious aromas from street food stalls. Be prepared to be amazed by its rich history and diverse culture. Sri Lanka's history is a captivating tapestry, woven with threads of ancient civilizations and powerful kingdoms. Long before European ships sailed the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka was a hub of commerce and culture. The island's earliest inhabitants, the Vedda people, lived in harmony with nature. The Sinhalese established powerful kingdoms and embraced Buddhism. Anuradhapura flourished for over 1,000 years, its stupas and monasteries standing as testaments to a glorious past. These ancient cities, now UNESCO World Heritage Sites, offer a glimpse into Sri Lanka's golden age. The arrival of European powers in the 16th century marked a turning point in Sri Lanka's history. The Portuguese, lured by the island's spices, established a foothold on the coast, followed by the Dutch, who extended their control. However, it was the British who left the most lasting impact, shaping Sri Lanka's political, economic, and social landscape. Under British rule, Ceylon's economy transformed by the plantation system. Vast tea estates and rubber plantations emerged, making the island a key supplier to the British Empire. While these industries brought growth, they also led to social upheaval. The British introduced their legal and education systems, leaving an indelible mark on Sri Lankan society. The colonial period also saw the rise of a nascent nationalist movement. Section 3. The Legacy of Independence, a Nation Reborn. On February 4, 1948, Sri Lanka broke free from colonialism and emerged as an independent nation. It was a moment of immense pride and jubilation. The journey since independence has been marked by triumphs and challenges. Sri Lanka has made significant strides in education, healthcare, and economic development. However, the country has also grappled with internal conflicts and economic disparities. Despite these challenges, the spirit of Sri Lanka remains strong. Religion in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a land where spirituality permeates the air. From ancient temples to colorful Hindu shrines, faith is integral to life. The island's religious landscape shows its history of cultural exchange. Buddhism, the predominant religion, arrived over 2 millennia ago. The teachings of the Buddha resonate deeply with the people. Magnificent Buddhist temples are beacons of peace and tranquility. Hinduism, with its vibrant festivals and rituals, enriches the spiritual tapestry. Islam, brought by Arab traders, adds another dimension to the island's soundscape. Sri Lankan Muslims contribute significantly to the island's history and present. Section 2. Harmony in Diversity. Celebrating Shared Values. Sri Lanka's religious landscape is marked by tolerance and mutual respect. Each religion has distinct beliefs, yet there is a shared understanding that unites all Sri Lankans. Religious festivals often see people from different faiths joining in the celebrations. Vesak, the most important Buddhist festival, illuminates streets with lanterns. Hindus celebrate Diwali with fireworks, sweets and prayers. Muslims observe Eid al-Fitr with communal prayers and feasts. Christmas, celebrated with carols and decorations, is enjoyed by all. This intermingling of cultures and traditions makes Sri Lanka special. It's a land where diverse traditions coexist beautifully. A testament to the power of understanding and the beauty of diversity. From telegraph to smartphone, Sri Lanka's telecommunications journey. Sri Lanka's telecommunications story mirrors its path from colonial outpost to modern society. Messages once traveled along wires, connecting distant towns for the first time. The telegraph's arrival during British rule revolutionized communication. It transformed commerce, governance, and personal connections. The telephone in 1881 added intimacy and immediacy to communication. Telephone exchanges connected businesses, government, and homes. Radio brought news, music, and entertainment into homes. Television connected Sri Lankans to global events. Connecting a nation, the power of communication. Sri Lanka's telecommunications landscape has evolved dramatically. A vibrant mobile market connects people across divides. Smartphones have transformed communication, work, and play. The internet is now indispensable for millions. It democratizes access to information and education. Students connect with teachers online. Entrepreneurs launch global businesses, and families stay connected through video calls. The government invests in expanding internet access, bridging the digital divide for all Sri Lankans, empowering individuals and fostering innovation. Sri Lanka is poised to harness the power of the digital age. Pioneers of healing shaping Sri Lanka's healthcare legacy. Sri Lanka's healthcare legacy is shaped by visionary individuals dedicated to alleviating suffering and improving well-being. These pioneers combined traditional knowledge with modern advancements, laying the foundation for today's healthcare system. Dr. P.R. Antonis, a skilled surgeon, became synonymous with medical excellence in Sri Lanka. He pursued advanced surgical training abroad, bringing cutting-edge techniques back to Sri Lanka. Dr. Antonis also advocated for medical education, establishing the Medical College in Colombo. Dr. C. G. Uragoda focused on respiratory medicine and public health. His research on occupational lung diseases led to improved workplace safety regulations. Dr. Uragoda was a tireless advocate for health education and preventive medicine. His work emphasized sanitation, immunization, and community health initiatives. Section 2. A Legacy of Care. Sri Lanka's Public Health System. Sri Lanka's healthcare system prioritizes accessibility, affordability, and quality care for all citizens. Universal healthcare ensures essential services without financial hardship. Government hospitals and clinics serve both urban and rural populations. Facilities offer a wide range of medical services. Commitment to maternal and child health has reduced mortality rates. Antenatal care and vaccinations contribute to a healthier future. Private hospitals offer specialized services and personalized care. Public and private providers ensure choice and foster innovation. Sri Lanka's healthcare system is a model of universal care. Navigating Sri Lanka's byways and highways. Sri Lanka's roads pulse with island life, from city streets to mountain passes. Each journey reveals the nation's heart. Modern highways reduce travel times between major cities. The Southern Expressway offers scenic views of tea plantations. Slower paced travel reveals hidden gems and local hospitality. Public buses offer an immersive, affordable experience. Tuk-tuks provide a thrilling immersion into Sri Lankan life. Whether by bus, tuk-tuk, or car, Sri Lanka's roads promise unforgettable experiences. Section 2. Journeys of Discovery. Exploring Sri Lanka's diverse landscapes. Sri Lanka's railway system offers a nostalgic and scenic way to traverse the island. The train journey from Kandy to Ella is hailed as one of the most scenic rides in the world. It takes you through rolling hills, tea plantations, waterfalls, and mountain tunnels. Renting a car or motorcycle allows for ultimate freedom in exploring hidden corners. Cruise along coastal roads, or venture into the island's interior to discover ancient ruins. Sri Lanka's roads promise unexpected encounters and breathtaking scenery. Share a pot of tea with locals, marvel at roadside artisans, or enjoy a sunset over paddy fields. The journey itself is an adventure, connecting with the warmth of its people. Explore by bus, train, tuk-tuk, or your own two wheels for a memorable experience. Sri Lanka's diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for discovery. From tea gardens to tech hubs, Sri Lanka's evolving workforce. Sri Lanka's workforce reflects its journey from a colonial plantation economy to a diversifying landscape. Agriculture, particularly tea, rubber, and spices, has been the backbone of the economy. The garment industry has become a significant employer, providing opportunities for women. In cities like Colombo, a new workforce of IT professionals is emerging. The government's commitment to a knowledge-based economy fosters innovation. Investments in education, technology, and business-friendly policies create fertile ground for growth. Artisans continue to handcraft intricate creations, preserving Sri Lanka's artistic heritage. The evolving workforce balances tradition and modernity, contributing to the nation's prosperity. Sri Lanka's workforce is dynamic, resilient, and ready to embrace new opportunities. The island's economic landscape is diversified, offering diverse opportunities for skilled workers. From tea gardens to tech hubs, Sri Lanka's workforce is evolving and thriving. Navigating challenges, embracing opportunities. The future of work in paradise. Sri Lanka's workforce faces challenges, including unemployment and the need for high-quality jobs. Education is key to unlocking the potential of the workforce. The country boasts a high literacy rate, reflecting its commitment to quality education. Aligning education with job market needs is crucial for future success. The government promotes entrepreneurship, foreign investment, and innovation. Special economic zones provide incentives for businesses to create new jobs. Vocational training programs equip young people with practical skills in demand. Sri Lanka's workforce is navigating a globalized economy while preserving cultural heritage. Investing in people, embracing innovation, and fostering a business-friendly environment are essential. The future of work in Sri Lanka holds promise for prosperity and success. By addressing challenges and seizing opportunities, Sri Lanka can create a brighter future for all. Written in the stars, astrology's enduring influence. In Sri Lanka, astrology is a guiding force woven into everyday life. It shapes decisions from marriage to business ventures, reflecting ancient wisdom. Sri Lankan astrology, rooted in Vedic traditions, seeks to understand celestial influences. Birth charts guide individuals from birth, influencing major life decisions. Astrology plays a role in education, career choices, and family planning. Businesses consult astrologers for auspicious dates and important decisions. Political leaders also seek astrological advice for national matters. Astrology is a deeply ingrained cultural practice, reflecting interconnectedness. It offers insights into character, strengths, challenges, and auspicious timing. Astrology is not about predicting the future, but gaining valuable insights. The practice continues to influence Sri Lankan culture and daily life. Astrology's enduring influence reflects a belief in the interconnectedness of all things. Sri Lanka, renowned for its natural beauty, harbors treasures beneath its soil. Celebrated for its exquisite gemstones, the sapphire reigns supreme. Sri Lankan sapphires are known for their exceptional clarity and intense hues. The gemological bounty extends to rubies and moonstones. Sri Lanka's gemstones captivate hearts and inspire legends. Guardians of safety, protecting citizens and visitors alike. Sri Lanka prioritizes the safety and well-being of both citizens and visitors. The island nation values safety, allowing for a fully enjoyable experience. Well-maintained roads and stringent health regulations ensure safety. Traffic laws are strictly enforced, promoting order and minimizing risks. Road safety measures allow for a relaxed and enjoyable journey. Sri Lanka prioritizes health and sanitation, particularly in food handling. Stringent health standards ensure safe and hygienic food preparation. Environmental protection measures preserve natural beauty and wildlife. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries protect endangered species. Sri Lanka's commitment to safety and preservation enhances the visitor experience. The island's natural wonders are carefully managed for future generations. Sri Lanka's safety measures ensure peace of mind for all who visit. Traveling with confidence, resources, and support for explorers. The Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority (SLTDA) provides valuable resources for travelers. From visa regulations to travel tips, the SLTDA ensures a smooth experience. Friendly SLTDA representatives offer helpful advice at Bandar Naike International Airport. They guide travelers through visa procedures and provide information on local customs. The SLTDA offers insights into transportation, accommodation, and must-visit destinations. Resources are available for specific interests such as nature or history. The SLTDA provides information on national park regulations and hiking trails. History enthusiasts receive insights into historical sites and cultural sensitivities. In emergencies, the SLTDA connects travelers with local authorities for assistance. The SLTDA's support ensures peace of mind and a memorable journey. Travelers can fully embrace the spirit of adventure in Sri Lanka. The rhythm of island life, embracing Sri Lankan culture. As we've journeyed through Sri Lanka's captivating landscapes and rich history, we've only scratched the surface of what makes this island nation so special: its people. The true heart and soul of Sri Lanka lie in the warmth, resilience, and infectious joy of its people. Imagine yourself welcomed into a Sri Lankan home, the aroma of spices filling the air as you're greeted with genuine smiles and heartfelt hospitality. Sri Lankan culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from ancient traditions, colonial influences, and a modern outlook. Family ties run deep, respect for elders is paramount, and a strong sense of community permeates everyday life. Festivals, a riot of color, music, and dance, offer a glimpse into the soul of Sri Lankan culture. Vesak, the most important Buddhist festival, transforms the island into a fairyland of illuminated lanterns. These celebrations are joyous expressions of cultural identity, a time for families and communities to come together. Traditional dance forms, such as Kandy dancing, offer a glimpse into the island's rich history and mythology. Unveiling paradise, must-see destinations and culinary delights. No exploration of Sri Lanka would be complete without experiencing its breathtaking natural beauty and iconic landmarks. From ancient ruins whispering tales of empires past to pristine beaches lapped by turquoise waters, Sri Lanka offers a diverse range of experiences to satisfy every adventurer's soul. Imagine yourself standing atop Sigiriya Rock Fortress, also known as Lion Rock, gazing out over a vast expanse of jungle, the remnants of a lost kingdom at your feet, the wind whispering tales of ancient kings and queens. For those seeking spiritual solace, the Temple of the Tooth in Kandy, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, houses a sacred relic of the Bupu, drawing pilgrims and visitors alike with its intricate architecture, vibrant rituals, and air of tranquility. And no exploration of Sri Lanka would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Sri Lankan cuisine is a symphony of flavors, a harmonious blend of spices, fresh ingredients, and culinary influences from across the Indian Ocean. Imagine savoring a plate of rice and curry, the staple dish of Sri Lanka, with its array of curries, each bursting with unique flavors and aromas, from fiery fish curries to creamy coconut-based vegetable curries. For a truly Sri Lankan experience, venture beyond the traditional restaurants and seek out local eateries where you can sample street food delicacies like Kottu Roti, a symphony of chopped roti bread, vegetables, meat, and spices, cooked to perfection on a hot griddle. And don't forget to quench your thirst with a refreshing king coconut. Its sweet water